Hi, I'm Ranila.
I'm Panache.
I'm Ria.
I'm Daniel.
And we are your Sexperts. So in Section 3 of this course, we looked into fertilisation and how it can be prevented using contraceptives like the pill. We also explored infertility and fertility and how assisted reproductive technologies such as IVF can assist someone in conceiving. So what are our favourite facts from this section?
So what I thought was really interesting was that in a very small amount of ejaculate, you have millions and millions of sperm cells. So one sperm gets lucky and cracks that egg, and that's the reason why we're all here.
So speaking of ejaculate, semen actually contains fructose, and fructose provides energy for the sperm cells to swim up the female reproductive tract and to fertilise the egg.
So another thing which I wanted to touch on that we covered in this section was the misconception between sterility and infertility. So sterility means that you can't produce offspring, whereas infertility means that after 1 year of unprotected sex, you can't have children.
And I guess one way that we're starting to counteract that problem is through the advent of developing assistive reproductive technologies like IVF. I can distinctly remember after the first case of IVF success in 1978, I think the child's name was Louise Brown. There's been over 6 million babies that have been actually delivered through IVF, which is really quite exciting.
Speaking of exciting, the way this field is going, it's incredible. As we heard from our experts from the Robertson Research Institute, we have so much to come.
So the next section is a pretty big one. What's coming up in Section 4?
So in Section 4, we'll be talking about pregnancy and childbirth. We'll be going into quite a bit of detail into the role of the placenta and how the woman's body changes during pregnancy and how it prepares for childbirth.